see here. Alright, so I'm getting ready to go to church. I'm late, okay? I was busy. I don't know what I was doing. Supposed to be in church by 8 o'clock. I'm not sure what the time is saying. So I have to rush. Going to church, I spend like 80 cents, something like that, to go to church every Sunday. So, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, lifestyle travel vlog and entertainment. So, I'm a photographer in my church, and up to now I've not gone to church. So I've missed so many things. I missed so many things. I believe my viewers too, they have gone to church. At least by now I've seen somebody here. I don't like wearing this shoe because sometimes it pains my leg, and I don't like when I wear shoe and to be bending my leg. Look at how I'm sweating. So today is Sunday. I'm late for church here. So what is here is my camera. Alright, guys, follow me as we go to church this morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday to you. So, I take pictures in my church. So I'm going to spend like 400 naira to get to my church. So see me opening my door. Good morning. Let me know where you're watching me from. Oh, forgot my phone. Crazy, I forgot my second phone. That's crazy. So, I was amazed. I need to rush because if I don't rush, No, this is not my car, so don't look as if it's my car. I'm going to trek and then go outside and get a cab, a bus here. Go out and then get a bus that will take me to church. Yeah, when it rains, my road used to be very bad when it rains. So let me show you. Well done. I would have followed this side, but I don't. That's the long distance. So this is the road. Can't you see how? Morning. So this is how dirty this road is, man. When it rains, yeah. So you see me, I'm climbing this place, and so that the water will not fall on me. The water will not split on my body. So, but I'm going to end this video once I get to church. So you see my church and then so that I'll focus, because I need to be taking pictures while I'm in church. So at that point I'm going to be busy. Well, I don't like taking bike here to the junction, because sometimes I feel like, okay, let me just trek. All right. So my house is close to the market, and people living in my area, they are big boys. Like, they have good cars here. So I'm going to enter through the market and then go straight to the road. That's where I'm going. Oh, they just brought light. That's what I want to do. So this is the market here. I told you I'm going to pass through the market. And then today is Sunday, because that's why everywhere is quiet. And at times when I come to this market on Monday, you see everywhere people will be here. So sometimes a lot of people, they don't go to church. So that's what happened. You see them here. So me, I'm rushing because I need to get to church on time. I'm late already. Yeah, I'm almost at the bus stop. I'm sorry, so that maybe the noise could be disturbing you. You just have to be patient with me. I hope I carried my transport. Hope I carried my transport. All right. I have my money with me. So I'm going to join a bus that I'll pay this money. Like, this is 100 naira. And look at the bus. Yeah, I'm going to join this one. ShopRite. Okay.
For bag. They will be like that. Okay. I collect that 200 now.
Just like that.
Sorry.
Oh, God. So people are coming down. So. It's crazy, man. Me, I'm dropping at ShopRite.
Ó yẹ kán ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá. Nígbà tí ó bèèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé àárín wọn, ó ní máa bèrè yín lákọrin, mo ní akọrin lẹ́wà pé wọ́n máa bèrè yín because ẹni kú ní mo lẹ́ ẹni kú.
Ó ní sọ ẹni tí ẹ̀ bá ti lórí 3 weeks kò sẹ́yìn kan mo wá bẹ̀ pé mo ń ṣe mo ṣẹ̀ yìí ni. Mo ní kí ni nǹkan tí mo ṣe fún yín gbọ̀ngàn.
Báyìí tó obìnrin
Láti wá ṣe máa pàdé dáadáa.
àti dúpẹ́ ṣá.
Ìyá mi,
Even báyìí tó kú nígbà aṣàgbò ìgòjọ yẹn, báyìí tó kú ní yóòtù ìyàwó ẹ̀ adáwọ́ fún un. Báyìí kan tí ẹ̀gbọ́n pé aṣàgbò wọ́n wá ní pé kí gbogbo yóòtù náà kán wà láàbò onígbogbo wa pé gbogbo òjò papọ̀ ká wà láàbò. So Sunday yẹn gangan la bẹ̀rẹ̀ àbò. Sunday yẹn gangan ni bàbá yẹn kú mọ́jú Monday. Báyìí kan bá àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ bíjẹ̀ òṣèlú ara àwọn bàbá yẹn òun ta sí ní ọ̀dùn ó ti bímọ ó ní ìyá òtí mi lẹ́yìn lórúkọ ó
ṣé
gbà
wà àti
báyìí
ìyàwó ẹ̀?
wọ́n
àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ máa wá sí.
gbọ́ kò kí n ta sí yàn ìyàwó ga yìí kò ń ta sí yàn ìyàwó máa ń gbàgbé ó lọ sí wọ́n ló lọ sí klọ́ọ̀bù ní Sunday yẹn mẹ́jọ Monday ó wá ń drive kò fún rẹ̀ ló wá rẹ̀ papọ̀
Jésù,
ní ìdájí nìkan bíi 4 o'clock.
ó pọ̀ láti club.
Instead kó wà ní jọ́sìn dáàbò ó wà ní jọ ọ̀nà
sí
fún ní iṣẹ́ àánú kan pé kó ti ṣe àánú ẹ. Ilé àyíká àgbélọ́. So ká ló dúró fún ẹ̀sìn Sunday yẹn wọ́n ní kò parí ẹ̀sìn náà kò kàwé iṣẹ́ ìwé kan ṣe ìyá àbèjì ló kọ iṣẹ́ ìyá àbèjì bàbá àbèjì ló kọ
Jésù, ó ti rí fún.
òun ló kọ iṣẹ́ pé kò kàwé iṣẹ́ ìwé kó ló ń kọ iṣẹ́. So adáwó fún ọkọ yẹn ní youth
Ó sàn ju kínní lọ. Ìyàwó ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa ń wá.
ìyàwó ẹ̀ máa ń jọ máa ń wà.
Ó lè jẹ́ ní ti máa mú.
Bàbá yẹn dúdú báyìí ó ga
Ó ga dúdú.
nífẹ̀ẹ́ òsì.
Ọmọ àṣẹ.
ShopRite.
Àwọn àjọṣe ti gbọ́ lónìí àwọn àjọṣe ní ọjọ́
Wá mẹ́fà.
láti gbọ́
Ọmọ àṣẹ.
Take.
lábò tá a wà aṣàbò à ń ṣe kíní lọ́wọ́ gan-an wá sọ pé bàbá yẹn.
All right, so I've dropped from the bus. Right now, I'm going to enter a bike, then go to the church because the church is kind of far away from my house. So right now, I'm moving to the church. Excuse me, please.
Sorry.
So now I'm going to get a bike to get to the church. So join me as we go to the church of God. RCCG, House of David. House of David. Eh? How much? House of David. You don't know House of David. House of David. How much? How much? You get 500 change. All right. Let's go. Small. Hungry. They run like say person they pursue you. Small. Thank you. I reached the church. Morning. So I reached the church. Hey, my friend, how are you?
Good morning.
What is it? What is that? Good morning, sir. Brother, how far now? Okay, guys, see you guys later. Bye-bye for now. I'm in church.
In Jesus' mighty name we have prayed. Alive, my Savior is alive, alive forevermore. The sting of death is gone, and now He lives. I have eternal life, since Jesus is
How are you?
alive.